Hello, Easter is coming and it's funny to paint some eggs with the kids. So I will leave you here a recipe how I paint these eggs here to play with your kids, and I hope you like it. So let's go. So for our eggs we're gonna need red cabbage, salt, vinegar, of course a pot, water, and of course the eggs. Yeah, we're gonna start chopping some red cabbage in this case. Just like you may see in the video, we are just making a layer at the bottom of the pot. Just a little bit more, and I keep the other half of the cabbage for a salad I'm gonna do later on. Oh, maybe I will leave you the recipe at the end of the video for this cabbage salad, which is very nice one. So just like that, we have a layer, and we're gonna place our eggs. Remember, carefully, we don't want to break them. Just like that, I'm gonna add seven eggs, and we are gonna cover the eggs with a little bit more of cabbage, just like you may see in the video, just like this. And so just like that, we're gonna add a little bit more, just to try to cover them a little bit more, just with a yeah, that's it. Just with the outside of the cabbage, just the things I don't need, and with the rest I will gonna prepare a salad. As I said, I'm gonna leave you the recipe down here. So now we're gonna cover our eggs now, as I said, and we are gonna now just add the salt, just a little bit of salt. It will help you to not to break the eggs. Some vinegar. I'm using apple vinegar, but you can use whatever you want, and pour some water until you cover the cabbage, and just like that, just boil it. Yeah, and so now it's boiling. I just leave it like 10 to 12 minutes boiling. Once the eggs are cooked, then we have to turn it off and just leave it 7-8 hours, just cool down, and that the eggs will take the color of the cabbage. So I hope you like it. Now check it out. If you all are so far here, just leave your thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and there are a bunch of videos you may like. So I actually let them rest through the night, and this is our results. Look, painted eggs for Easter. So everyone, take care, and I hope you like it. I will leave you another recipe for eggs painting. Cheers!